Hi, I'm James Groney, and I'm responsible for the Pong game in our final project for this class. So this is how my code works. You have these lets, all of these lets. So this one is the position of the ball, and the X position of the ball. This is the Y position of the ball. The X and Y direction, like where they're gonna move. So like where they're gonna be, the speed, the paddle width and paddle height. So for like the actual paddle of the thing of the Pong game. Then score right here. Uh, Level, score cap, sound, states. So the first is the setup, and this is just for importing the sounds. We got the sounds for other functions in the game, creating the canvas, the background, all that good stuff. And then this draw function is basically stating all the states, but I didn't get it to work fully, unfortunately. So, not everything is completed, but this is the first part of if I can move this. This is that. I'm just gonna let it bend real quick. That's what that first one is. That is state two, that screen you just saw, and then there's another one when you complete it, which is state three. So draw main, this function is the first part. It's all of these boxes, but not, the stuff that moves. So like left wall, bottom wall, right wall stuff. The ball bounce paddle function makes the ball bounce off the paddle. So if it's within these boundaries, which is the paddle, change the wide direction to negative, which is bouncing it back, add a score because you did it successfully, and play the sound for some feedback. And this is the Pong paddle itself. The ball bounce function makes the ball bounce. So you're drawing the ball right here. This is declaring its X and Y. This is telling it to bounce off walls. This is what happens if you miss the paddle. Goes to state two, which is game over. This is another bouncing off the wall. Draw game over. This is basically text. This is a button, which I didn't fully get working, unfortunately, but it is right here. This is the draw next level page, which is the positive feedback that you completed the level. This is saying that, and then this button right there, which is what you're seeing right there, which makes that sound, unfortunately. This is the mouse press, so this is talking about states and when the thing goes over to try to make the buttons work. So like when your mouse is over that next level thing or that certain thing in state two, you're gonna go to the next, state. Score tracker, this keeps track of the score, with the score cap. And the score cap is right here, and the level incrementer shows like if you're on this level, which is like a state, which it would need to be changed. The score cap equals 5, and then if the score cap, is here, go to this state, which is like completed it. So all of that good jazz. And that's my 178 lines of code for this project and what they do in this code.